Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you and give you a really short review about wireless mouse 4tech G9-730FX. So the mouse look like this. Price of this mouse is very nice, very good price. It's possible to buy this very nice wireless mouse. We can see the design is also very nice. Size of the mouse isn't so big and isn't so small. I think it's medium, which is very good. I have big hand, but it's very good for using. And what to tell about this? I can show you the both sides. So from the back, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and here is place for the battery. We can check after the battery inside. And now some information. So it's a consistent wireless stability, advanced 2.4 GHz, powerful wireless connection, and it's possible or going from the computer up to 10 meters, which is very nice. When we are talking about the battery life is up to 12 months, which is also very nice. And if you want to buy the battery with extreme quality, it's possible to 18 months. Its lifetime is guaranteed with some extreme quality battery. And this mouse has also the adjustable power saving. It means that if you this mouse is going to sleep or will be in sleep mode if you're in activity in 0.2 seconds. So it's very nice power saving. And also this mouse has 2000 dpi adjustable. And we can see also the dual function key. Yeah, so we can see 1, 2nd, 4th, and this. So very nice mouse for very good price. And what we forget is open the battery place. So just one finger inside and open the cover like this, and we can see one battery inside. So just from this side is possible to open the battery out. Maybe I have to use some pen because my fingers are really big, or I can left this for you. Just open and input the new battery. It's not difficult. And here is also place for the USB plug-in. Just open, give it to your computer. So I think this is all. After review input inside the battery, just close the cover. Yeah, I have to find right position and give it back like this. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, give me like or dislike or comment to my video, and see you in the next video. If you want to buy this mouse, you can find the link below of the video for the best price. So thank you, see you, bye.